Rick, I can't believe. Where is the stuff is supposed to be in the storage?
What storage?
All the stuff in the furniture, Rick.
Oh, that's in Atlanta.
It don't matter. We in Minnesota. Where all my furniture at?
You have to go down to Atlanta.
To get my storage?
Yep.
Look, let me tell you something. I want all my furniture. You hear me? All right? Rick, let me tell you something. For all the years, I have my pictures and everything in there, okay? You hear me? That's all those things sentimental to me, all my poetry and everything. Then you got to deal with mom. You see how my mama is. You know what I mean? My mother cared for you. How could you treat me like that, Rick? How? You know my mother loved you, man. You know my mama loved you.
Okay.
Oh, man. So we going to do retrieve my furniture, brother. I don't want to have my furniture.
I'll call them.
You gonna call the store for my furniture?
Yes.
But I need all my furniture.
Okay, we'll get a truck.
I know you. Somebody gonna get a truck. You gonna get a truck?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna take my suitcase?
I got the money.
See, that's what I'm talking about. I ain't got no money. You got all the money, Rick. Why can't
I
believe
got
you?
the money.
See, that's how you brothers is. You got the money, but the sisters ain't got nothing. Look at me. Look at my hair. I ain't did nothing with myself. Look at me. I look a mess. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. You got the money. You gonna give me all back my furniture, Rick?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh God, did you hear him say that? Okay. He said yes, I'm getting all my furniture, my house and everything. Okay, let me tell you something, Rick. I better not be homeless. You hear me? Don't ever let me be homeless no more. You hear me?
Right.
Need all my furniture. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right. I can't believe this. Okay. God bless you. Thank you.